you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I knew you'd end up sitting there. Yeah, I said like next time I'm gonna make sure I call.
Which one did you get?
That was chocolate.
Just that one?
Huh?
Just that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet cream looks good too.
Penelope, come here. Penelope.
fries and iced tea. Is it sweet or not? The freshwater eel roll too.